Sytoxcar.
The 2026 Mercedes AMG GT Coupe arrives as a new icon in the lineup of luxury sports cars, combining extraordinary performance with elegant design. Since its debut, the AMG GT has been known as a symbol of power and style, and the 2026 model enhances that reputation with significant technological upgrades and performance improvements. With a more powerful engine and refined aerodynamics, this car offers an exhilarating driving experience. In terms of design, the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT Coupe maintains its aggressive, athletic look with modern touches. Its aerodynamic body lines and the signature AMG Panamericana grille give it a strong, bold presence. The redesigned LED headlights with the latest technology add a futuristic touch, while the sleek rear is fitted with an active spoiler that enhances both aesthetics and stability at high speeds. Performance-wise, the 2026 AMG GT Coupe is equipped with a twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers immense power, making it one of the most powerful cars in its class. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds, providing a thrilling sense of speed. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension ensure the car remains stable and comfortable, even at high speeds on various road conditions. The interior is equally luxurious, featuring premium leather materials and advanced technology like a larger infotainment screen and a custom-designed surround sound system for the ultimate driving experience. Every detail in the cabin is crafted to exude luxury and comfort, giving both driver and passengers the feeling of being in a high-performance race car with top-tier features. The 2026 Mercedes AMG GT Coupe is not just a luxury sports car, it is a symbol of technological advancement and modern design. With a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and innovation, this car is set to solidify its place as one of the most desirable sports cars in the world. For speed enthusiasts who also crave comfort and style, the AMG GT Coupe 2026 is an unmissable choice.